Hey, y'all. It's in the back.
We go sleep in y'all.
Dad, come over here. We gotta get this chair fixed up.
Okay, we gotta pick out where we're gonna be.
Bunky with y'all tonight.
Huh? How you doing?
Hi.
Your brother neighbor.
Where?
What's up, baby? What's up,
Hi.
little Damon?
Y'all cold. What y'all smoking?
No. I gotta go get the tank filled.
Hi.
This my
Hi.
cousin Dante.
Hi.
This my cousin Kim. That's her husband.
How you doing?
That's
Hi.
that's a little sister. That's my cousin Puka.
Who is that down there? Way down there?
Noel and Jennifer and his lady and Taylor.
Oh, okay.
His lady and your sister.
Man, I need to put my coat on. What's going on, Eric? Even though I know.
You know him?
What's up?
Oh, you on Facebook?
No. YouTube. Let me go down here and speak. There usually be more people. Where everybody at?
Some people Roy over there fishing.
Why y'all ain't got no music going?
Y'all bring the speaker. Go get it.
I got 2 feet.
Okay, we made it. Oh, it's cold. Dang, I need my hat on. Other hat. Hi, how you doing? I'm fine. I'm Kim.
I'm Rochelle.
Hi, Rochelle. Woo. Man, I probably should put my daggone coat on. Hi.
Is that my sister?
What's going on?
Baby? I didn't think so.
Who is this down here with you?
Jennifer Noel. Yeah, that's one of her cousins. I think she said on her. I think she's y'all cousin. That's her cousin. I'll be back. Look.
I'm coming back up that way because we got to set up. All right. I'm just coming out here to speak to y'all. Hey. Hi, y'all. Hey. Family. What's going on?
Nothing much, and you?
Ooh, it's cool.
How you been?
I'm fine. Hey.
Hi. How you doing?
He said somebody down fishing. Where they at? On the other side or something?
Huh?
He said Roy fishing. Where he at fishing at?
I don't know.
This the view, y'all. Oh no, that ain't him. I need to put my coat on. It's a little windy. Look at this view. Beautiful view.
And it's only gonna get colder.
See the sailboat over there?
Yeah. Look at the birds getting in the water. Look. See it?
Yeah.
You're gonna fall. Nobody in
Probably can't even see it because of money. It's probably gonna be dark. But let's get ready and set up before it gets late.
You gonna do a time lapse of us setting up the tent?
Yes, ma'am.
Time lapse coming in 3, 2, 1.
kind of seasoning is this? What is? Oh no, that ain't seasoning. I'm like, what is it? That ain't seasoning. Your tent is really nice. That's what, a 10 person tent?
Which one?
This green one.
11 person, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I paid $100 food.
See, I got that one on clearance. I think I only paid like $35 for it.
Oh, okay.
That's nice though. This, I think this is what, a 6 or 8, Diamond? 6.
It actually got some sticks where it stick out like this.
Yeah.
They call it a front.
Was y'all freezing last night? It was cold last night. Who tent is this?
Jennifer.
Oh, okay.
Eddie Bauer. I think her name is.
And then whose is this one right here?
Third.
Your people? Oh, Dante. What's the other guy name? Pookie? Hookah. Okay. And then Eric and them, y'all got to get y'all a better tent.
We chilling.
Y'all got to do better.
Fuck that. We chilling.
This is a 1970. This is international. What is the name of it?
American
Man,
camper.
this one got Wi-Fi. What you talking
Damn.
about?
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, that's fucked up. Got
My
me
bad.
fucked up. Wi-Fi. And it come with a TV. Hold on. And they got a TV in here.
Damn.
Show my living quarters. Look at the TV come with it. That damn big TV.
How y'all earn y'all mattresses up?
It comes in there. This motherfucker there.
Y'all sleeping in that motherfucker like Lucy Ricardo.
When I come across a deal, we're going to have to get you a new tent. Come on now.
Damn tent.
Come on now. This is
This tent
1970.
been with me since day one, baby. I can't let it down.
I thought you left this tent last time.
You left one of them.
I thought he left two. He was leaving everything that time.
Goodness.
Heck yeah. He ain't cared.
You look, hey, cuz, next year, I'm gonna stun on you motherfuckers. Let you motherfuckers know what time it is. You know I'm the #1 stunner, baby. I'm gonna stun on you motherfuckers. I'm gonna have upstairs and downstairs, nigga. Fuck you mean? Upstairs and downstairs, you motherfuckers.
Upstairs and downstairs tent.
Shit.
Stop it.
Shit. They got it. They come living room furniture, all that shit, that blow, everything blow up.
Upstairs and downstairs.
Upstairs, downstairs, and living room furniture, you gotta blow everything up. You blow the couch
How's it gonna
up.
hold your weight?
Huh?
How's it gonna hold your weight?
Just like the blow up mattress.
Stop it.
Yeah, shit. Like them bouncy houses. Shit, watch. I'm telling you motherfuckers next year, y'all laughing this year. Next year, goddamn, it's my year. With all these little fancy ass tent. My wife looked at my tent like, Eric, what's wrong with our tent? Ain't a damn thing wrong with it. Fuck you mean? It's Old Faithful. This bitch been here since day one. Y'all got a portable toilet?
Right here.
The fuck?
The bucket. What do you mean? Bucket in the seat.
I gotta take a shit.
No, no heavy stuff in this.
Shit, I gotta take a shit.
Ain't no heavy stuff in this.
I gotta take a
2 o'clock in the morning when you gotta use that bathroom, you're even gonna be trying to go to that building.
Man, I walk from the way you know.
You a man, of course. You can do that. I'm not gonna do that. just waking up. And I think it's like, what time is it? It's like almost 7 o'clock or 6 something. I'm not sure. Oh, worst sleep ever. Oh my God. Worst sleep ever. And way down there, everybody finna pack up and get ready to go. But I just wanted to come out here and show y'all the sun rise, even though I'm late. But yeah, I'm gonna go around to this other side. I wonder if you can get, no, I don't think you can. I'm gonna go to this side. You wanna go to the other side? Here go, Damon just woke up. He slept good. I didn't. Time. I didn't really get much sleep, but here's what it is. That's part of camping. So cold. Was that a fish just jumped up right there?
I doubt it.
Why you doubt it?
Well, fish don't normally jump out of the water.
You see that? Another fish. They jumping. Yes, it's fish down there jumping. And I know I'm not tripping. I don't know. But we're getting ready to pack up and we'll go. Yeah. So, Damani slept in the truck because she couldn't deal. Packed up and on our way back. What do y'all think about the camping trip?
Well, the worst thing about it is when we were sleeping. Dad would stop snoring.
That's normal.
My sinuses is acting up, man.
It's cold.
Even if your sinuses wasn't acting, you still would snore.
Daddy, I don't know if y'all noticed, but Daddy has actually stopped snoring. Like, if you actually think about it, when Daddy sleeps, he don't snore no more. Well, he did this time.
My sinuses, I just told you, my sinuses acting up, man.
What else y'all think?
I just think the mattress part made the whole trip.
No, I don't think so.
I do.
I think the fact that I honestly feel like we should have brought the big tent.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for another clearance deal for a bigger tent. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be it for our weekend.
Or Kim, which one y'all going
We'll
to?
go ahead closer to home, though.
I don't care.
You did say throw that pot away, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, no.
You better go back and get it.
Alright, don't forget to subscribe, click thumbs up,
Huh?
leave comments at the bottom.
That's Kim GoPro. She doing her little Vlogtober or something.
What is that?
Her GoPro.
Don't forget to subscribe, click thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. See y'all in the next one. Peace.